Hello, I'm Gunjan Pidani. Welcome to today's COVID Bulletin. Indo and US scientists will soon utilize the power of collaborative research to come up with the COVID-19 solutions. 11 teams with the out-of-the-box solutions in these fields have been selected through a rigorous binational review process by the US-India Science and Technology Endowment Fund, or USISTEF. These solutions will range from novel early diagnostic tests, antiviral therapy, drug repurposing, ventilator research, disinfection machines, and sensor-based symptom tracking for COVID-19. The USISTEF has been established by the Government of India and the Government of the United States of America for the promotion of joint activities that would lead to innovation and entrepreneurship through the application of science and technology. COVID-19 is certainly a situation where nations should join hands to tackle this common enemy. Let's hear more about this collaboration from the experts.
Some of the teams are in phase 1, where they're at the early stage of development. So we're giving them a little bit of funding to develop a prototype or do a proof of concept for some of these very innovative out-of-the-box ideas. And for the other teams under ignition phase 2, we are providing them with a larger amount of money because they are building on existing proofs of concepts or repurposing technologies that are now available to address the COVID-19 challenge. And part of what's great about this initiative is it brings collaborations, it builds partnerships, it builds synergies between Indian and the US science and technology community. Part of our mission is to build the best collaborations to solve this pandemic. Everybody is trying to find solutions, and if we collaborate and build partnerships, we have an opportunity to accelerate progress and leverage the expertise that is available from both countries.
Diagnosis of COVID infection remains a major mainstay for containing the spread of the virus. Now, New Delhi-based Defence Institute of Physiology and Allied Sciences, or DPAS, an institute under DRDO, has come up with a new antibody-based detection assay for diagnosing COVID-19 infection named DIPCOVAN. While RT-PCR tests employed are expensive, the antibody tests are relatively cheaper and therefore can be used for mass testing. The newly developed test is based on the spikes as well as nucleocapsid proteins of COVID-19. The kit has been made for the purpose of serosurveillance, which can answer the questions like how widespread undiagnosed COVID-19 infections are, how deadly the virus really is, and whether enough of the population has become immune for social distancing measures to be eased. The kit has received a test license from DCGI and the brand name DIPCOVAN has been registered. Approval for validation of kit by ICMR at Pune-based National Institute of Virology is under process. After launching the kit, a manufacturing license will be obtained by the manufacturing company for mass production. DPAS has developed this test kit in association with Delhi-based Vanguard Diagnostics Private Limited. That's all for today. We will be back with another edition of COVID-19 Bulletin soon. Namaskar.